Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a video that I hope is really helpful for anyone out there who is struggling with depression. And I'm going to talk about the top 3 essential oils for depression or for depressive thoughts or feelings. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Before I tell you about the best or top essential oils for depression or for depressive thoughts or feelings, I want to first mention a couple of things. First, I want to say it is still super important to check in with a professional. Get the help that you need. This is just an addition to help that you're already receiving that could possibly help with some of the symptoms that you might be feeling, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in the video. And second, I also want to mention that there will be a free PDF download in the description below of how to actually use these oils, some different blends that are really great for different things that you might be feeling or going through. So let's go ahead and talk about depression, right? Okay, so depression is more than just feeling sad, okay? Depression is a mental disorder that is affecting more than 300 million people around the world, okay? And in America alone, over 21 million adults suffer from depression on just a 1 year, in just a 1 year period. So this is something that truly affects so many people, and even if you are not affected by depression, or depressive thoughts, then it is very likely that someone you know or in your close circle, heck, maybe even someone in your family, is suffering. So this video I feel like can be helpful not only to you if you are struggling, which I feel like is a lot of us out there. I think it definitely needs to be normalized, okay? It's okay to not be okay, and I think that having resources and having people out there who help to relate or can help give you maybe something that has worked for them. Granted, we are all different. I truly believe that we can all help each other grow and be better if we're just there and we share what we know. So that is why I'm here today, to make this video to hopefully help those of you out there who are. And just a little note too, women are actually 2 times more likely to experience depression than men. So a little fact there as well. So if you are a woman, you are 2 times more likely to experience depression. Some symptoms of depression, and keep in mind, I just put a handful here, but some symptoms of depression that could maybe set off a red flag and tell you, hey, maybe this is what I'm feeling, are changes in appetite, changes in your sleep pattern, feelings of hopelessness, persistent sad or anxious or empty mood type of feelings, reoccurring thoughts about death or suicide, decreased energy, fatigue, being slowed down or feeling like you have absolutely no energy to do anything, or even feelings like inappropriate guilt. Maybe you feel guilty a lot or often or persistently about things that you shouldn't. So I will also include some resources in the description for anyone out there who maybe is feeling this way. Some helplines that I know of as well. Our mental health is huge, and I am a huge advocate for mental health and helping and normalizing and offering resources for mental health. And it is fortunate, okay, a lot of these symptoms of depression can be helped, okay? They can be treated. And one of the most common ways depression is treated is through prescription medicines, okay? And there are people out there who do find help from prescription medicines. While I do believe that they can be helpful in some situations, me and my family, we always choose to at least try a natural alternative or remedy first, and then we go to, over-the-counters or prescriptions if needed. So I'm here to make this video not to say that essential oils can cure depression, okay? That's not the expectations that I want to set for you here, but they can, and they've actually been proven in studies, in scientific studies, to help relieve some of the symptoms associated with depression, okay? So for those of you out there who maybe want to try essential oils first, or maybe you haven't tried anything yet for your depression or for your depressive thoughts or feelings, essential oils are a great natural way to start, okay? To start helping those feelings that you might be having. So things that essential oils can help do, right, or symptoms that essential oils can help relieve are things like boosting your energy, relaxing your mind and your body, and ultimately enhancing the quality of your life, okay? So a lot of these things that come along with depression can be boosted or enhanced or helped with the use of essential oils, okay? And there is obviously enough research to show that essential oils can help with both small, like acute or short periods of depression and even chronic depression. Which essential oils are the best? Let's talk about these. So the top 3. The first one that I want to mention is not just one essential oil, but all citrus essential oils, okay? There are many types of essential oils that belong to the citrus family. Ones like lemon, lime, orange obviously are pretty commonly known as citrus, but grapefruit, bergamot, citronella, and lemongrass even can help, okay? So you might be thinking, why citrus? Why citrus oils? So citrus oils act as energy boosters. So they're very well known to provide uplifting energy throughout the day. They can also promote joyous and happy, positive feelings. Citrus oils are also really calming sedatives. And this might seem a little contradictory to what I just previously said about them being mood boosters, energy boosters. Citrus essential oils also promote peaceful feelings, and they are really effective at reducing stress and anxiety. So while your energy is boosted, citrus oils can help to enhance your mood and balance your emotions. So more specifically, bergamot essential oil, okay? This is particularly good at boosting energy and balancing your mood. And lemongrass provides really soothing feelings and really helps to relax and balance your mood. And tangerine is a great essential oil if you're maybe experiencing symptoms of postpartum depression. Tangerine is a really safe essential oil to use with pretty much anyone. And then the second essential oil that I want to mention is lavender. Lavender is very widely known, and it primarily works by enhancing mood, decreasing sleep disturbances. It's great for our sleep, right? And it's great for decreasing moodiness as well. So those might be some symptoms that come along with your depression. Again, everyone is different. We all experience different things, and different essential oils are going to help with different people. So just keep in mind, these 3 essential oils are great, and they're some of the most common essential oils used to help with symptoms of depression. But I will also have that PDF download. It'll be completely free for you guys. That will also give you some more ideas and actual recipes and blends that you can use with more essential oils than just these 3 I'm mentioning. Since lavender is great at helping with sleep, sleep deprivation is a really common, painfully annoying symptom of depression. So lavender oil can help with that issue. And then the third essential oil that I want to mention in this video is chamomile oil, okay? Chamomile essential oil is also one of the best essential oils to help with depression and help with symptoms of depression. But the main benefit of chamomile is its soothing qualities, okay? It promotes good sleep, it can soothe muscles and ache, and another little fun fact, it has even been hypothesized to increase our lifespan. So you might have heard of people drinking chamomile tea before bed that helps them calm and relax. Chamomile essential oil is going to have some of the same effects, and it really helps to put a almost like sedative effect over the body. I love to use chamomile essential oil for my sleep, to get a good night's sleep. These are the 3 top essential oils. Again, the first one I know I mentioned many different essential oils, but I would love to help you more. Again, I'm going to give you some recipes in that PDF download. And again, essential oils are not a cure for depression, okay? But they definitely can help relieve some of the symptoms related to it. So you can lead a better life while combating your depression or your stress. Okay, our sense of smell is strongly linked to our emotions. So using essential oil as aromatherapy is a natural, non-addictive, but really great solution to relieve the emotional imbalances of depression, as well as relieving other symptoms as well. Again, I will give you some recipes in the PDF download, but I want to know which of these recipes, once you get that download, maybe have helped for you, your depression, your anxiety, your stresses. I want to know in the comments below, is this something that you're struggling with? And do you think essential oils can help? Are you open to it? And if you've used them, I would love to know what helps for you, because again, everyone's different. I feel like we have so much to add and we can help so many people if we share what has worked for us. So maybe someone else out there who's struggling with something similar can try what has worked for you, and it might work for them too. So I would love to hear your comments about this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.